Hey, what's going on? Garrett here. In this video, I'm going to reveal exactly why I personally decided to join the high-ticket affiliate business E1ULife after being online for close to 10 years. And I'm also going to reveal why I think you should highly consider joining through me today. Now, I'm here inside the membership area of E1ULife, and I'm not only going to explain why tons are joining this right now, but I'm even going to give you a breakdown of the total cost and even share some insane bonuses with you can access when you partner with me today. Now, this program all has to do with making instant high ticket commissions. When you make a referral with this program, you get paid right away. Now, who is this program for, and is it newbie friendly? Well, this program really can be done anywhere, anytime from a simple Wi-Fi connection, whether you have a phone or a computer. And the methods that you can learn with my bonus package, along with this incredible program, can literally allow you to make instant 100% commissions up to $2,000. Now, if this all sounds really exciting, be sure you stick with me through this entire short video, because right now what I'm going to do is first off cover these amazing bonuses that are valued over $3,000 that you can get totally for free just for partnering through me specifically. So without further ado, let's dive into the bonus package. Now, you actually may be on a page where under this video is listed the bonuses. I'm going to go through these one at a time so you can fully understand how powerful they are when you go ahead and join this program. So the first bonus is it's going to be my popular social media mastery course. Now, I'm actually going to log into the back office of that course and share with you a little bit more. But basically, it's going to reveal my top secrets I've used to make multiple six figures online on Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook. Okay, so that's the very first bonus. Now, if I go into it, you're going to see that there's all these different modules. Okay, now there's Facebook marketing secrets, which is going to share how you can do free Facebook marketing on a simple profile or fan page, and how to get massive amounts of traffic leads and then convert those into sales so you can start to make money with E1ULife. Also, Instagram marketing secrets. Now, keep in mind, all of these secrets are step-by-step over-the-shoulder videos, and the great thing is you can use this training and really apply it to anything you want to do online. Now, in this case, if you want to make those instant paying high-ticket commissions with E1ULife, then you can apply this training to E1ULife when you get these bonuses. Twitter marketing secrets, and even YouTube marketing. Okay, I've made multiple six figures just creating very simple 5 to 10 minute videos on YouTube, and I reveal some of my key strategies inside of that module. Now, bonus number two, this is a $597 value. Again, yours free when you partner with me today. Access to our private 24/7 Facebook support group. So inside of this group that you'll get added to, you just simply ask a question, okay? So if you ever have a stumbling block or you're applying one of the methods to make money and you just don't know what to do, simply ask a question in that group, and either myself or one of the other leaders will quickly respond with an answer. You'll never be stranded again with that one. Now, bonus number three, it should say, is a $299 value, okay? Now, what you're gonna get access to with this is my secret swipe file of my 7 best social media marketing posts. Okay, these are literally swipe and deploy. You just copy and paste these on Facebook, on Twitter, and you will start to get people responding. Okay, they're going to ask you for more information. They're going to message you, curious, and then all you have to do is send them your E1ULife sales page link, and many people will decide to buy. Okay, now I can't actually share with you the thing inside of this video in case other people are watching this. I do not want them, of course, using the same post, but you'll be able to get those free just for partnering with me. Now, again, this is the next bonus, $495 value. This is access to high ticket sales secrets. Okay, so this is a course that will literally teach you how to specifically sell high ticket, which is what we're doing inside of this program. Okay, the average sale is going to be anywhere from $500 all the way up to around $2,000. So you'll be able to learn secrets to compel people to decide to buy. The next bonus is $699 value. This is a full Facebook Ads 101 video course. So if you have a little extra money and you want to really ramp up your traffic, get way more leads, way more sales, way more money depositing to your bank account, you can apply this strategy and start to run Facebook ads. And then finally, $457 value, you get access to a Facebook retargeting course. Okay, so once you run Facebook ads, you start to get people going to your link. Now we can even follow up with those people on autopilot by retargeting them. And you're gonna learn secrets inside of that step-by-step over-the-shoulder video training. Now, not to mention, once you join E1ULife, okay, and you can see that to date, I've made over $83,000 using the exact strategies you're gonna learn. But not only can you go here, but you can go to the training center and you can actually use the training that is inside of E1ULife. So E1ULife gives you different tools and you can find out more here, okay? So if you're ready to join, which again, this is a very limited time at the time of you watching, this bonus package could expire at any moment. When you're ready, okay, this is a value of $3,646. Again, yours free. All you have to do is click this button here. It's going to take you to the order or the sales page rather, where you can place an order. You can look over this if you want to learn a little bit more about E1ULife. Okay, you can read from the affiliates also making money just like you will when you join. And this is where you join and choose a level. If you go back to the bonus page here and you scroll up, you'll see that when you join E1ULife through me at the Vertex Elite level, which is the $500 level or higher, then you can actually access all these bonuses, because I want to reward serious people. And if you're serious, you can charge a credit card, you can get resourceful, you can sell some things, you can borrow the money, and you can go ahead and access these bonuses. Okay, so again, you would just choose the Vertex Elite. The most popular is the Vertex Live. All of them are a one-time investment, and then you unlock that level and all the levels under it. You can see this very quickly at the Vertex Live level. You get opt-in pages, done for you funnels, okay? You get a logo made. If you want a logo made, they'll create email follow-up sequences for you. You'll get a social media pack of different ads you can use, okay? So you're also gonna get incredible value inside of E1ULife on top of the amazing bonuses I'm gonna give you as well, okay? So again, choose the level. Let's say it's this one. You just click Get Started, okay? You wanna create an account here. Now, in order to get the bonuses, again, double check that your sponsor, it says Garrett Berry. Fill out all your details here. Click Submit. Okay, once you create an account and then you log in, scroll to the bottom, you'll see all the levels again. Now, they'll have a lock icon because you have to purchase in order to unlock that level. Go ahead and choose the level, okay? So if it's the Vertex Live, which is definitely one of the most popular, you can go ahead and click that, and then it's gonna pop up here, okay? It says activate your package. Click that orange continue to checkout. You'll get taken to something that looks like this. Put in your card details, and then click the orange pay button at the bottom. Now, the last thing you need to do is once you purchase, okay, in order to receive your bonuses, you need to go here, okay? And you can check out all the testimonials as well if you want to see more results. But right here, okay, step one is email your purchase receipt to this email here, okay? support@prosperwithgarrett.com. That is my own personal email, okay? And all you have to do is send a screenshot or an email of the purchase receipt when you joined E1ULife. And one of my assistants will be able to double check that you did in fact join. And also in that email, make sure you use the subject line E1ULife bonuses. So again, this will notify us to release your bonuses. Now, expect to have your bonuses sent within 24 hours, okay? So we get a lot of people joining every single day. We're going to do the best we can to get that out within 24 hours, ideally a lot faster. And also be sure to check your spam and promotions folder in case you can't find them right away, because sometimes it goes there. I'm really, really excited for you, my friend. Go down under this video, click that button, and again, get started right now. And I look forward to seeing you on the inside.